Like, this shit is scary, but I'm about to do it. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rita and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Before we head into today's video, let's talk about money and finances. If you know me, then you know that I am pro financial independence, and literally every economy is dwindling currently. So let's address this. We spend money every single day, but how many of us make money every single day? Right, so that's the purpose for this short clip. I'm going to be giving you 3 passive income ideas that you can leverage on to help you make the most of this dwindling economy. The first one is freelancing. You can literally become a freelancer. Whatever skill you have, you can basically sell it, give the services to someone who needs it and get paid for it. Now, to succeed as a freelancer, you need to learn some high income paying skills. You learn the skills and then you market yourself correctly to the right people, making the most of it and getting paid for it. Freelancers make a lot of money, I promise you. There are a few platforms that you can leverage on. We have Fiverr, we have Upwork, and when I say learn high income skill, I mean learn high income skills like copywriting, ghostwriting, content writing, name it. There are a ton of them. I'm going to be putting links in the description box, so feel free to make your research, and whichever one suits you the most, choose that, learn it, and then you market yourself. I mentioned 2 platforms, Fiverr and Upwork. For you to get the best clients on Fiverr and Upwork, you need to boost your profile and become one of the top ranking searches. How do you do that? I'm going to put a link in the description box as well. Check that out, optimize your profile, and I wish you the very best. The second method I'm going to be talking about today is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically marketing someone else's product, either a physical product or a digital product, selling it and then receiving commission for each sale. Now, you can do this with different platforms, but before you do this, you need to learn what it is. You need to understand how it works so that you can give it your utmost best. I'm going to put a link in the description box as well for that. The third option is for you to partner with an organization that empowers individuals to start up their own businesses. I know one in Nigeria. I am a partner with them, and that's C21FG International. Partnering with this organization means that you're going to be receiving mentorship. They'll hold your hand, help you to start a business, and mentor you through it so that you're successful in that business until you get to your goal. So to do this, I'm going to put a link also in the description box. You indicate your interest. Their selection process is kind of, strict. However, once you're selected to become a partner with them, you are guaranteed to succeed as long as you follow through with your mentorship. And they also have mentors that are international, like Eric Worre, Mark Morris, and the likes. Trust me, this is an amazing one. So if you are especially in Africa and Nigeria, you really want to consider that option. So all these options work for you wherever you are. All you have to do is to lay down, learn it, and then get to work. So whether you're a student or you have a regular job and you're looking for something extra on the side, or you're a stay-at-home mom and you need a source of income, all these methods are fantastic. Fingers crossed it'll work out for you perfectly. I wish you the very best, and I hope that we all can get to a place of financial independence. I look forward to hearing your success story. Okay, so if you haven't checked out my previous video, I would implore you to go check it out, because that is the foundation for what I'm doing today. Yeah, that's it. All right guys, so for my newbies, what's up lovelies, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe icon, also hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos or drop your girl a comment. Yeah, that's how we roll. All right, so today I am going to start the application of today I am going to start the application of a very weird product to my face. Yeah, scary as hell. Like, this shit is scary, but I'm about to do it. Yep. Okay. So if you want to find out what this amazing product is, you want to stick around and go nowhere. Already I have shown you my facial routine, which if you haven't seen, I'm going to put a link up and in the description box. Feel free to check that out and check the products that I use. I am not changing anything in my routine. The only thing I'm doing is substituting my current toner with salicylic acid for this guy for the next 30 days. So yes, let's get into this ASAP. But first, I have to go and wash on my face, okay? So I'm going to wash my face and go nowhere because I'm gonna be right back. Don't wash my face. Okay, so I have just washed my face and I have dried it off with a paper towel, and so now I'm going to application. Now I put this in a spray bottle. Damn girl, I put this in a spray bottle, right? But I am not the spray toner kind of girl. I really like to use my cotton pads. So I am going to use my cotton pads. Thank you very much. Right, so if you want to see what is in this bottle, if you want to know what is in this bottle, I'm going to put a link up and in the description box to the video where I made this and put it in this bottle, so you can go find out what is in this bottle. But for those of you who already know, it's onion juice. I'm just not going to tell you the part of the onions. Go watch the video. Right, so I'm just going to spray this all over my cotton pad and make sure it's damp, super damp. Then I'll apply on my face. Okay, I saw this somewhere and I really need to try it, so I'm just going to apply this on my face. So I'll be updating you every single 24 hours with pictures, up close pictures, face camera pictures, all of that. Honestly, it is odorless, so I don't have a problem with that, and it is good for my hair, so I can touch my edges with that. Okay, so I'm using this as a toner from my regular 2% salicylic acid. Damn girl, you cray. Yes, I know. All right, so yeah, that's it. So following this, you're going to be seeing pictures of every 24 hours progression. We're going to be monitoring the difference together. So this is where you discover if it works, then you go try it, or you discover if it doesn't work and then you don't bother trying it. That's why I'm putting my face out here for you. Things we do for content. All right, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to thank me and feel free to also let me know in the comment section if this is something you will actually try, or any other weird stuff you have tried on your faces. I really want to know, so I know I'm not the only one on this planet who can go this length to getting that, you know, smooth, beautiful, spotless face. But let's know, okay? So clips following, and I'm going to be telling you what the benefit of this is from what I read. We'll see if it's true. Let's go confirm. All right, before I round off on this video, I want to mention that I have an ebook available for every single individual. So whether you are just starting your hair journey, you are transitioning or trying to transition or thinking about it, wherever you are in your hair journey, this ebook is packed with so much information. You basically learn about your hair, the characteristics of your hair, the anatomy, the physiology of your hair, why your hair is the way it is, how you can take care of it. There are bonuses also in the ebook. There is a worksheet that helps you to identify the things you should be doing to your hair based on your hair type and your hair characteristics. antibiotics. Also, there is a tracker, which is an additional bonus that helps you to track the activities you're doing, the frequency, so that you don't miss out on any of the activities that you are actually supposed to do for your hair. The aim of this book is to help you to achieve that optimal hair health and then growth. So I'm going to put a link in the description box and also in the comment section. Do check that out and make sure you get the ebook. It is for everyone so that you can make the most of your hair. If you want one-on-one consultations with hair expert or trichologist, all you have to do is to click the link to the consultation in the comments and also the description box. Well, I wish you the best in your hair journey, and I look forward to seeing how far you can go.
So back into today's video. While I show you the progression of use on my face and results every 24 hours, let's talk about the benefits of onion juice for the skin. Onion juice contains vitamin C, which increases the speed of cell turnover and decreases breakouts. It also brightens the skin and it boosts the flow of blood to the skin, thereby causing the skin to be soft, smooth and spotless. Onion juice also contains antioxidants which reduce scars and softens the skin. It is shown in different studies that onion juice is a perfect treatment for reducing or treating post-surgical scars. So it can reduce and treat acne scars as well. The phytochemicals in onions are great for brightening the skin. The antibacterials in onions are great for fighting bacteria that can cause inflammation. It also has antiseptic properties which fights viruses and fungi that cause inflammation or acne. Onion juice also contains sulfur, which is a great treatment for acne. It is rich in vitamins A, E, and C, which protects the face and the skin from sun damage. I also read that some over-the-counter treatments use onions as part of their ingredients in their formulations. So I would say onion juice is a holy grail for the face, skin, hair, and basically anything else it can do. If you have onion allergies, please stay away from this. And it is important to know that this is the only part of the onions that you should be applying on your skin. So you really want to make reference to the last video I uploaded on onions 3 ways. Look at the prep process and duplicate. So now let's talk about the results. Between day 3 and 4, I already started to feel my face feeling smoother. As you can see, my face did get brighter, and I noticed when I compared the pictures of day 1 versus day 30 that the sizes of the black spots I had on my face actually reduced, as well as the coloration. So it wasn't as thick dark as it was as at day 1, and the sizes reduced. So I had a marker where I just circled the parts that showed the difference so that you can see for yourself. Although I had new black spots on my face at day 30 because I did have breakouts in between those 30 days. So I would say it works, but then if you want to try this, feel free to try it if you do not have onion allergies, and let me know how it goes for you. So these are the results. I would say it is a slow process, but it is worth the trial. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comment section if this is something you're going to try, and let me know any other home remedies that you have tried on your face and how it worked for you, so that I can also check those out. I love that you took your time to go through this video today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, also hit the subscribe icon and hit the bell icon if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, I remain Rita Ralph, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.